How does guardianship affect an alleged incapacitated person? Imagine someone you love suddenly can't make decisions for themselves. Guardianship is the legal process that steps in to help, but it also changes how they live day to day. When a court finds someone unable to handle their personal or financial affairs, it appoints a guardian to make those choices for them. This determination of incapacity is based on clear evidence, often including medical reports showing cognitive decline or health issues. Once guardianship is in place, the person who is deemed incapacitated, called the alleged incapacitated person, loses the right to make many decisions on their own. They cannot sign legal documents, manage their money, or choose their health care without the guardian's approval. The guardian acts in their best interest, making sure their needs are met and their safety is protected. This change can be upsetting for the person involved. They might receive court papers and notices about their guardianship, which can cause feelings of frustration or loss of independence. Sometimes, they understand what is happening and feel upset about losing control. The process usually involves court-appointed attorneys and medical experts who evaluate their capacity. This can be a stressful experience, especially if the person was previously independent or active. Guardianship is meant to protect the person from exploitation, financial abuse, or making harmful decisions. It can prevent someone from being taken advantage of or making choices that could harm their health or finances. But it also means they have less say in their own life. Family members might have disagreements about the guardianship, which can cause tension. In elder law, guardianship is often a last step after other options like powers of attorney or supported decision-making are not in place. It is supervised by the court to ensure the guardian acts responsibly. The guardian's authority can include making healthcare decisions, including end-of-life care, but laws vary by state. Guardians are expected to balance protecting the person's rights with making decisions that promote their well-being. Overall, guardianship provides a legal framework to care for those who can no longer care for themselves. It helps ensure they receive proper treatment and protection. Still, it's important to consider ways to preserve as much independence as possible, like early planning with legal professionals. This can include setting up powers of attorney or supported decision-making arrangements to avoid or limit the need for guardianship.